Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we've had some really shitty weather. Jobs haven't progressed like I thought they would have, so I decided to do a bit of a ToughBuilt tour. I know all the viewers at home love that sort of stuff, so let's have a look at the first belt. This is your typical apron style ToughBuilt that, you know, 90% of tradies start off with. I've had this for 10 years on and off. It's been a good belt. Saw a bit of a resurgence last year. I want to put these straps on it. And that was cool. Really super lightweight rig. Hang your hammer in. Still sees use from time to time. If I'm doing lots of fences and stuff like that, I might go with this because I can keep coils of nails.
The US active progression was to
not much else. Usually a hammer maybe. Just go, go, go. But this sucker superseded by a Buckaroo Leatherworks belt.
Time this chemical weapon was unleashed. Time this chemical weapon was unleashed. Time this chemical weapon was unleashed.
Awesome belts, Aussie made, loved it, but I wanted to try something a little bit different, which is where Diamondback toolbox come into it. It's my Diamondback rig. Love it. Swap clip. On off. That's some Cobra style American military type thing, which I think is really cool. Hammer in there like that. Mobile phone in there. Super handy belt. Mini speed square lives there. Tape measure with this one. This pouch. This is the Clavo. I found that tapes the wire style clip work best. Otherwise metal clips kind of abrase on the leather there. But yeah, super cool belt. Love it. But I am one of those guys that is always fiddling around. Ran the eagle pouch on this side for a while. That was really cool. Spot for tape, spot for a big speed square, plenty of tools and stuff, but not the way they sit on your body doesn't lend itself to carrying lots of fasteners. And when we're building fences and stuff, we want a big bag of bugles so you're not running back to the ute constantly for nails. So going back to the Clavo bag because it just hangs open better. I really like it. But yeah, I have gone and bought a new pouch, so bear with me. So, here we have the Diamondback Tools Bossman pouch. I bought this in Australia through People's Tool. Don't know how to link, but you know, look them up. Awesome American stuff that you really can't get your hands on so well in Australia. Love their shit. So the plan is this pouch there, get rid of this big thing, run an ultralight setup. So I carry a lot of shit I don't need, I guess. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Alright, so here we we've got our Bossman pouch on. I really like it. I don't mind the hammer. I've always had a hammer swinging around, so that's not a big issue. Phone's back up on the chest now. Grab our pencil, our tape. Bing, 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 away we go. That's cool. Answer our calls. Happy days. Swing Pro Owl. Really like this hammer. Didn't like it so much in the hammer holster because it used to catch a lot, being that rubber grip, but hopefully that'll be a thing of the past now. Got our Hikoki multi-volt impact driver. This thing is an absolute weapon. Blowing it so much. Just the essentials, nothing more. Might move it around a little bit more around the side later. Let's see. Still got that bit index up here. Hips, shifter, scissors, knife, Sharpie. Seems to stay there, but we'll see.
The US active aggression was
One little pro tip that I've got, especially for fencing, but you know, for anything. Picker with a white marker in it, for marking hardwood, so you can see it way easier. Lead, marking pine, it's nice and dark, pine's light. But trying to have just one or the other is what I do. Pain in the bum. And keep a few drill bits I didn't manage to fit in here. I'll pop them over on this pouch now. But yeah, this is a go setup. Still got the bag in the back for odds and ends. What have I got there now? Rubbish. 100mm battens. Washer. Yeah, I like it. Pretty happy with that. Watch me go. Alright, thanks for watching yet again. As always, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want to see anything in the channel, hit me up in the comments down below, tell me what you want to see, and try and make videos that you guys actually want to watch. Thanks guys.